Now, I'm going to show you how it's done.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to... Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning, Boy Nano, whatever. Welcome to Goan Lamb curry that I'm going to make today. I know my last video went viral.
Let's get it on.
So we're starting off with about 1 kilo of lamb that I'm going to cut. So let's begin.
All of you, please, watch and learn.
We're going to start by cutting this lamb. So in this process, it's very simple.
Gently peel back that first layer of fat.
You don't have too much fat in there. So let's start. Here we go.
Be careful. One slip of the knife here and you've lost a finger.
So I've chopped up the lamb into small cubes, and I have the bone. The trick is the bone has got a lot of taste to it, so you need the bone the way it stands. Okay, so the next bit is we cut the onion.
You know, not everybody like onions.
Cake! We needed some garlic, and we need some ginger as well. So there we've got onions. We'll dice the onions. So while that is heating, here's our 4 cloves, 2 onions. As I said, it's about 1 kilo of meat to the meat that was diced. Browning here.
5 minutes later.
Nice and brown. See, as you're browning the meat, can you see there's like some fluids released? That is very nice. I'll show you chucking the bone. The onions look like they're ready now for putting the curry powder. So, we'll start with, for about 1 kilo of meat, we'll use some Goan Xacuti masala, 1 teaspoon, 1.5 haldi, 1 teaspoon, cumin, 1 teaspoon, coriander powder, 2 teaspoons, salt, 1.5 teaspoons. Stir all that together. Make sure you turn the flame down a bit. Oh yes, can you smell that? Very nice. 3 tomatoes diced, 3 mushrooms, and it goes into the curry that we just stirred in. There you go. So now that you put the mushrooms and tomato in here, remember I told you there was some, like a soup comes out of brown mince. Make sure you put that into.
5 minutes later.
Fill it up, and then
Okay, that's enough. Yep.
and then you just, oh, this doesn't have the rubber thing around
It doesn't matter, just cover it.
So we're just going to cover this, and then you place it on this, and then you cover this with the Ali brochure.
Cover it with.
And then we just cover it because we don't want it to go everywhere.
And slowly,
And you
yeah.
just turn it on.
What were you trying to say, Rio? I didn't get the last instruction.
And then, oh, and that's our time to start. And then we've mixed it, so now we're just going to add a bit more.
So show how it is.
So this is how it looks now.
Well done, Ria. Put it in there.
Wait, I'm gonna do it.
That's okay. This little bit is fine.
And then you just put it back in. Ah, this is hot.
Oh, that's hot. That's hot.
And then you just give it a mix.
And cover it.
And then just cover it.
Yeah.
Wow, wrong lid.
That's it. Put a little water if needed. If it is too thick, put some water. So what we're going to
So we
do,
can rinse that out.
we can rinse that out, but what we're going to do is rinse it so it's got a little water there, whatever little curry is mixed in there. There you go. Now you have to just let this cook for another 30 minutes, Ria.
So we'll set Google's timer.
Okay.
Hey Google, set a timer for 30 minutes.
No.
Excellent. After Ria, you have to keep checking and make sure you stir it every 10 minutes. It doesn't mean that you come back in 30 minutes. And that's it, guys. Another great Goan lamb curry that's going to go viral. Thank you.
Good luck.